welcome to our new course, a primer on solar power. Solar energy is dramatically transforming the energy generation market globally. In this course, you'll learn about different solar technologies used across different scales, from individual buildings to large-scale energy generation. Know-how on global policies that enable solar energy uptake, as well as the challenges that governments and industries must overcome, will give you a high-level awareness of this topic. At the end of this course, you'll have a well-rounded understanding on solar power as a technology and its future potential.